Hello and welcome on Watches TV. We are here at Oris at the Watches and Wonder 2023. And so tell us a little bit about what you're presenting here.
Well, our big highlight of the show is the ProPilot X Kermit edition. Maybe you have seen it around. It's a ProPilot titanium watch with a Kermit green dial, and on the 1st of every month you will have Kermit in your date window to remind you that on Kermit Day you do some self-care, you look after yourself, you do things that make you happy, so you're ready for the month.
And so what is kind of the links we can have between Oris and Kermit?
Well, we as a watch brand, in days where nobody really needs a watch, you better have a good answer as a brand to why the customer should spend his money with you. And our answer is that we make our customers smile with our products, with our philosophy, and Kermit actually is exactly the same. That's what Kermit and the Muppets want to do. They want to cheer you up, they want to give you that little break in your hectic day, such as we do, and that's why it's such a perfect fit.
And talking about maybe other timepieces that you're presenting here, is it maybe a bit more serious, a bit more, a lot of engineering, of course, behind? Is there anything special that you would like to highlight?
Yeah, there is a new edition of our altimeter. So we are the only watch company that has a mechanical altimeter. And then we have, with this new release, now a 3D printed case. We are the only ones that can do that. So the watch is very light, very sturdy, and the look of that 3D printed carbon is really special. Have a look at it, and you will see.
And in general, are you happy being here?
Yes, I'm very happy to be here. This is the moment when it's happening. The whole watch world is here. Our whole team is here. It's also very important for us as Oris, as an independent brand, to have all people here and to share our philosophy, our spirit with the whole team from around the world.
Well, great. And thank you very much for having us, and congrats to you.
Thank you very much.
All right, bye guys.